Hey there, I was sent over this 5-panel no-dig fence to install and share with you guys. Literally took me 5 minutes to put together. It is only 5 panels, so Oliver here is about 40 pounds. So that kind of gives you some kind of idea of how big this is. I feel that it's working best up against the house here because it gives me a little more surface area for him to be in there. With it here as a pen, it's only 5 panels, so it's not very big for a medium-sized dog such as him. Putting it together, it's 5 panels, and then the stakes that go with it, all they do is go through the eyelets and then into the ground. If needed, they've provided a rubber mallet as well as gloves. Moving it was just as easy. I literally took it apart a couple panels, moved it, and then put it up here. It does have a basic latch on the front where all you do is slide it and connect it to the pole. If you are looking to enclose your pet in a smaller area or maybe just block an area off, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this fence is a good fence for you.